Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem numbers of substring with only ones. So given a binary string as a string consisting only zeros and ones, return the number of substring with all characters are ones. So since the answer may be too large, return it modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So in example, we have this example, the binary string 0 1 1 0 1 1. So if we see, we can how many number of substring we can form from this example. So first we have number of 5s, so we can form number of substring with 1 ones 5 because we have 5 ones. Now this one can be number of 2, so number of ones 2, how many number of ones? So is a substring with number of ones 2, we can form one here and another is here. So total 3 we can form with 2 ones, and with 3 ones total we can form only 1. After that there is not possible. So total 9 substrings we can form with this given binary string. So how we are forming? So see, if let's take another example which is like all ones. Let's say all 6 ones. Here we have a string this. So this is our string. Now if we encounter the first one, so how many substring we are able to form here? The one substring of length 1 itself. So 1 itself, length, this left side is length and this substring count is, this side is count. Now when we encounter second one, so what is the possibility? This second one is consecutive to the previous one. If we see, so how many substring this one can provide us? One is the length 1 1 and one is length 2 1. So one is length 1 and one is length 2. So what, because the previous we have 1. So how many this second one is contributing substring? 2 and the first one is 1. Now we reach to the third one. So this one. So in third one, same thing we will check how many previously counted substring. This will add 1 on top of that. So 2, because it is consecutive. So this will provide 2 plus 1. Now fourth one will provide consecutive 3 plus 1 and so on. So total all the ones contribution is, first one is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and then 5 and the last one is 6. So total is 21 substring we can form with 6 ones string. So let's take another example. If we have 1 1 1 0 1 1 1, so here this one will contribute 1, then the second one plus 2 and plus 3. Now we encountered 0. So once we encounter 0, there is a break of the substring. So now here we break this count of this count variable which we are using initially, and this one is a result variable we are holding. So we will use the two variable. One is count variable which count from whenever we get the 1, and the consecutive one we will increment that count. Whenever we got 0, we will initialize count with 0 again. So this count will initialize with 0 if we encounter with 0 character, and the result will be same, like result is our result plus count, and as the answer can be bigger, so we will take the mod with the 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So this is the simplest implementation. So let's implement the code. So for code, so here we need a result variable. So let it int result, which is initialized from 0. We also need a count variable which is also initialized from 0, and we need a mod variable which is 10 to the power. So we can write 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 7. So this is 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Now we iterate our string int I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length and I plus plus I plus plus. Now we will check the character. So count is equals to if character, so the s dot char at current I is equals to 1. If it is 1, then we just simply add 1 to the previous count plus 1, otherwise count will become 0 if we encounter with 0. and the result will be our result plus count. Every time we will add the count, mod with mod. So, this is the result, and in the end we will return the result. So, this is the total number of substrings. Let us compile our code and check whether it is working. So, it is working for the one test case. Let us check the other custom test case with 6 ones. Another like there is no one, so we should get 0. Another let us say 0 1 0 1, then we should get only 2 substrings for this test case, because we can only form 1 1 as a 2 substring. So, it is judging now and we are getting a correct answer. So, let us submit our code. So, it is accepted. So, now what is the time complexity and space complexity? So, for time complexity we are just running a for loop for all the characters, like for full length of the string s. So, this is, let us say length of the string is n, then time complexity of our solution is O of n, and the space complexity is just constants. We are using few constants. So, this is the solution. So, if you like my solution, please hit the like button, and in order to support my work, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the early notification. Thanks for watching.